Hey everyone, welcome back to another trade breakdowns video. So today is 12th December 2025 and I took a trade on London session. So I'm gonna break down this trade. So at first I was checking dollar index, and on daily time frame as we reached to the equilibrium, so it was a rejection point to reverse. I was also looking at weekly time frame. So this is where it is a order block. It tapped into there. So it was really highly active that price would go there because it was first thing in the discount zone, and second that we are already saw some reaction from that. So I went 15-minute time frame on USDJPY. So I found my setup right there inside the Killzone time, 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Sorry, 5 a.m. New York time. It retraced to the order block. I enter right there and hold it till it took my TB. 1:2. I wasn't expecting much from this trade because I do not trade USDJPY that much. So yeah, and it was Friday, so I didn't have much expectation. It was just like a free money, so I just took it. So yeah, that's all. I shared the trade and the terminal. Yeah, it was right there about to hit my TP but range, so I shared that there. That's all. um the next week is really interesting. We had a lot of news to next week, so it is really going to be crazy. So if you want to join my Discord channel, it's completely free for traders. So link is in the description. You can check out and join that. That's all. Good trading. Good day.